Hey y'all, how you doing tonight? This is Randy, the mobile traveler. I'm going to show you how to split some wood. Got my friend Jerry. He's got a channel called JC Travels. He's at the camera. Okay, we're going to split this wood up into little bitty pieces with little effort. You got to know this if you're going to boondock. Ready? Got to hit the wood first. Okay, this is what we're going to end up with after you take the bungee cords off. Doesn't take much to split wood, now does it? What you need is an axe, bungee cords, wood. This is Randy. I'm out.